Hi, and welcome to our Green Bio Boost service. Is your lawn looking tired, stressed, or lacking its usual vibrancy? After heat waves, droughts, or insect damage, even the healthiest grass can quickly lose colour and health, leaving your garden looking dull and lifeless. That's where our Green Bio Boost service can help transform your garden. This bespoke treatment is designed to restore your lawn's natural vibrancy, bringing back a deeper, greener colour. At the same time, it strengthens roots and builds resilience, helping your lawn stay lush, vibrant, and full of life. The result? A healthier, greener lawn that's ready to impress, whether you're hosting a summer barbecue, celebrating a birthday, or simply relaxing outdoors. Whatever the occasion, our Green Bio Boost service helps you enjoy your garden all year round. Safe for children and pets, Green Bio Boost can be applied as often as needed to keep your lawn thriving all year round. And with over 25 years of experience and over 100 local teams, Greensleeves is the UK's most trusted lawn care experts, here to transform your outdoor space into one you could be proud of. And with packages designed around you, achieving a lawn you love has never been easier. So, if your lawn is ready for a boost, contact your local Greensleeves team today and discover how Green Bio Boost can set your lawn up for success, whatever the weather.